I'm gonna quick turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Short, long.
Look at your face.
Ah, there. Okay, now what? Okay.
Here's
Now we
Dronie.
pick which one we want. You want to do, okay,
Dronie.
Dronie,
Circle.
circle.
Okay, circle.
Rocket.
Rocket goes straight
Let
up.
it look at your face, otherwise
Spotlight.
Wait, how about rocket first, because it goes
Direction
straight up.
track.
we don't want
Follow.
it falling too far.
What?
Dronie. Circle.
Do circle.
Okay. Do I just wait? I think I just wait.
Tell it to circle.
No, it will, but I think I just...
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Look at that. So it's going right around me? That is really amazing. Can you see it with the camera, I hope? Let's do rocket next, because that goes straight up.
Because the battery life won't be
Oh,
great.
okay. Okay, so when you pick the one you want, you hold it.
Yeah, hold it out.
Rocket.
Let it see your face.
4 meters.
Four-
Rocket.
4 meters.
2, 1.
It's looking at me. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Can I move? I can move around. It's coming down.
Get your arm ready.
I know, but I think it's gonna wait for me.
Get your arm ready.
Here I am. Here I am.
Action track. Follow.
Follow. That's what we want. I think we want follow.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
See how it's our level?
Go so fast.
We don't want to run out of battery either. Well, the sheep don't seem to mind.
Just stand still.
Ooh, it's like being followed by a robot.
Look at the view.
Wait, let's stop it so we could try another one. Does it come to me? No, I have to go to it. Okay, so that's follow.
You'd like this,
It's
wouldn't you?
fun. It's sure.
Looking at you at the moment.
It is looking at me. No, it's not trained like the robin. I'm not sure what that is. It went out 4 meters and then it came back in, but because I didn't put out my hand, it just waited. The screen. See the green thing around me? See the green box? And there's a big stop in case we want to stop.
Can you see what you're looking at?
Yeah, it's looking at me and it can see everything around. Oh, it's looking at the car. It lost me. It lost me. I'm over here. Did you see that? It lost me. I must have gone under it too far instead of in front of it.
Towards it at times, just so it sees your face. It's the facial recognition.
Yeah. Well, it lost me because I went under it a bit.
Don't look at the sun.
Should we stop now?
Yeah.
All right, there's a big stop on here. I think if I...
Don't press that one.
No, I don't think it'll fall. Okay, I'll just get ready. Oh, I gotta use the virtual joystick to bring it.
That's what I mean.
All right.
That's it. Bring it down. Slow. Slow.
Landing.
There you go.
updated.
You watch the screen, don't watch the thing.
Okay, well, I want to...
It's about
I can see it. Come and see the screen so you can see what I'm seeing.
Quite too high.
No, I want to turn it a little so we can see over that way.
Yeah, turn it whilst it's up there so you can have a good look. Turn it right around so you get 360.
Oh, look, if you go real little bit, it goes slow. That's nice. See, I've got a good handle on it.
360. Oh,
That's
wow.
nice.
Look.
Strong wind warning. Oh, unable to return home.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay. Bringing it
bring
down. It must be windy up there.
Slow.
Okay, it was windy up there, but maybe not here.
All right. Well,
Well,
give it another
let's do
360.
another, because it's not too high.
It's a bit windy up there.
Oh,
Low
it's
battery. Return to
Oh,
home
right,
promptly.
okay. It's had enough now. So you only get 15 minutes of this. Can it come home? Or
wait.
does it
I
have
want to
be
try to
longer?
turn it towards me.
Turn it towards you, but bring it a bit nearer, honey. It's over a ditch.
It's all right.
Bring it closer.
I want to learn how to do this. Oh, that's
No,
back.
going further away.
That's
Bring it-
forward.
No, look that way. Look,
Landing.
One hand.
Ready?
Yeah. You'll see. No, touch it. Let go. All right. Now that, hold your finger on that, and a green thing will go around. There. Now it's ready.
Takeoff.
There.
Home point updated.
So I wouldn't go high, but let's see if we can.
Which is up. Don't want to crash
Okay,
it.
okay, this one goes up and down. Just do a little bit, and then you get the feel of, it's quite sensitive. And then come down, so you get to see what it's like. Now, go to the left and see what it does. Be careful, because see, it's turning around, and then you could turn the other way. Now, on this stick, when you go left and right, it goes left and right. So make sure it doesn't bonk into our heads.
Oh,
You see? Isn't it fun?
okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm
It is
the hang of
getting breezy, so we'll keep it low, but
Yeah, it's getting breezy now.
yeah, but if it's this height, I don't think it'll get hurt, especially if we're over the grass. Oh, I think that's the wind catching it. This is showing us that the wind is blowing it. Look,
Yeah.
can you see that yellow thing
Yeah.
jiggling up and down? I'm trying to go slow. I want to get a nice view. And I want to come down. And I want to come forward and turn, oh, turn towards me.
Landing.
Ah, I did that pretty good, didn't I?
Battery level is low.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.